Cartel, me no know what you expect from me in a party. Me no know, me can't get up and defend you, so dog. You shame me, people. You would be everybody have your name in their mouth. Dog, you're rich. You make me feel a certain way from we are youth, dog. And you put certain meditation in our mind and we are praying militant from we are youth, dog. Teacher, me cannot defend it. Teacher, you're lumps, dog. Dog, you're lumps. You're lumps, dog. God, you're lumps, Barney. You're lumps, Barney. I tell you, say you're lumps, dog. You're lumps. I tell you, Barney. You don't look good, dog. You don't look good. You man, they don't know like we already, dog. You man, they don't know we name in the mouth, Gaza Nation, this Gaza Nation, and this you're about to, dog. What you left we to do, dog? Yeah, you're rich. What do you expect if you do that, dog? And the name blush, show, bro. Teacher, what you show name for party?
Viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people in today's video, we want to talk about Vybz Kartel, Adi the teacher, Mr. Palmer, world boss. Also, we want to talk about popular TikToker and YouTuber, Pretti Dan. People, Pretti Dan beat Vybz Kartel in the wickedest way. Pretti Dan cried tears for how Vybz Kartel out here a deal and handle himself. Pretti Dan a person will represent the Gaza, a person will ball for Vybz Kartel free. Pretti Dan never expect say other cartel ya go come a road. Pretti Dan never expect say when cartel come a road, a so cartel a go behave. Pretti Dan never expects a cartel would a fish out and a move like a muckers. Cartel a move like a GoGo. Cartel a move like Free Willy. Cartel a move like a big sprat. Cartel upon the internet a dancing and breathe. After we burn a fire pan cartel in a black, breathe. Cartel double down, run out in a red, breathe. Cartel a behave like say him happy. Cartel never expect the people them to deal with him, so but I know everybody gonna Sodom and Gomorrah. I know everybody lose their morals. I know everybody fish out. I know everybody frightened for Cartel and him money. Cartel a big waste man. Cartel rich. Cartel have money. So that just make Cartel a big rich waste man, and a waste man with money, a big rich fish. Even though a cartel have money, that no mean to say cartel straight. Cause him a do some shaky things and we are go burn him out. Everybody we are watching video, let me know which part in a Jamaica represent, which garrison, which ghetto on represent, which parish, which part in the Caribbean, which part in Canada, England, the United States, Europe, Africa. Let me know which part in the world on the forward from. Violate the like button. Me I beg 200 likes pan a video ya. 200 likes me I beg. If you not like that video ya, that mean you support Efri. That mean you one of the Gaza sheep them. That mean to say you one of the shaky fish them. That mean to say you're not straight. Like the video car right now, Jump Out TV production I go cook. So people, Pretti Dan a beat Vybz Kartel in the wickedest way. Pretti Dan we go both ways. Pretti Dan we have Ling side and then Pretti Dan side. You know Pretti Dan love woman. Pretti Dan over the side there. But at the end of the day, Pretti Dan bond away there with both organs. So you have to understand Pretti Dan. But Pretti Dan we confused and dip on a side there. I say Vybz Kartel confuser. People, I want big stone that Vybz Kartel get. Vybz Kartel if a person where they over the side there I say you're shaky. A person where they pan aside there because I saw them born. I call you out, say you're shaky. You're really shaky. A whole heap of people put them career on the line and fight for Vybz Kartel. We understand woman can do anything. But when we see some man we say they're married, some man we say them have kids, some man we say them are raised with future kings and queens, you have to wonder why the girl them skettle out, why the girl them loose. You have to wonder why so much of we youth are go prison, so much of we youth are criminal, because their mother fail them, because them father fail them. The mother and father them no have no morals. The youths them now grow with God again. The youths them now go to church on Sunday again. And the internet are raised we youths them. And so look how shaky boy where we do anything. Feel like man like a soul flow them. We out here a different way Vybz Kartel a do. Man we got big school. Man we put in military training and discipline to the side. For run back a cartel. Soul flow them a big waste man. At the end of the day, soul flow I say where Vybz Kartel put on the internet for the woman them. Vybz Kartel have about 3 million followers. At the end of the day, man and woman did it. And when things come across your timeline, and when you watch it, you see say a friggery. And like say, Vybz Kartel it put it on OF, or make one page for woman only. The man put it public on him page. We beat him, we kickbox and thump him, his feelings hurt, him ego hurt, him never expect we fear deal with him so Vybz Kartel double down and come back out and do the same thing. Vybz Kartel the king of brief. Vybz Kartel out here muggle with him big old navel. Look like one of the worm them in a man in black. The man shake you out. The man fish out. People we understand now. So Vybz Kartel did a prison and he used to be beside a whole heap of man. But enough man got prison and militant and come out of prison firm. Pause. Vybz Kartel got prison for 13 years when they are prison. This brother no learn nothing. If a this Vybz Kartel have to do for promote him song, forget the people and from the other community to support him. Vybz Kartel a fish out like him want one Grammy. Cause like how they give coffee one Grammy. Cause coffee they on a side there. Vybz Kartel a fish out fi get a Grammy. No matter the money where Vybz Kartel have, Vybz Kartel nah go happy because Vybz Kartel bad mind. Vybz Kartel no happy say Sean Paul have a Grammy and him no have. Shaggy have and him no have. Beanie Man have and him no have. Vybz Kartel bad mind. Vybz Kartel even fight for be the king of dancehall, but him know say Beanie them have a Grammy over him. So Vybz Kartel a go do anything to get a Grammy. Him a go have all different type of people pan him album for win a Grammy. Vybz Kartel a shake you out for in music them go on top, but the people them now run with it. At the end of the day, you have more straight people and people way over that side there. So at the end of the day, we now burn out people over that side there, but we are say if Kartel over that side there, turn over that side there. If you are fish, you are fish. Kartel feel like say train rich or he have money, he can do anything. But not for we out here. When a frightened for money, saying he can go suck himself with the money. Pause. We no care about Kartel and him riches, cause Kartel now put with pot pan fire. Me see big man out here put the morality to the side. For people call them fish, groupie and sheep for run back a cartel. Some boy will love likes. All dirty thinking so flow them. Love likes. But at the end of the day, watch the people them will really say Gaza if them not toxic. So flow always in a some type of friggery. Him and him woman and all different type of problem with him and him woman allegedly. Enough of the man them out where you see love Gaza. Enough of them are criminal. Enough of them are thief. Enough of them are rapists. Enough of them beat woman. Enough of them always involved in a domestic violence. Look the type of man them where follow Kartel. Them toxic. Kartel go prison and the man them praise Kartel behind bar. But them burn out every other criminal. Enough criminal do certain things and then burn them out. But Kartel get away with anything. Shaggy come out in a one thing where look like a blouse. Them burn out Shaggy. Bunty Killer do a video with no doubt or one naked man did inner. But Bunty never did a time when them film the video and we burn out Bunty Killer for it. Alkaline come out with body wash brata. On no burn out the youth and you know say the youth they just look away if he busting at the business. Cause the youth even come back and make people know say him was a juvenile, him was a kid, him did just a try a stunt. And Alkaline no mess up for that. But you see them Gaza fans them burn out Alkaline for body wash every day. Say the youth shaky, but Kartel out here do no fish activity. Remember Kartel have a song say, girl your body whole clean, girl your body whole not. Girl, your body whole clean and your body whole good. Remember, a Kartel have a song with Beanie Man say, you know, give a body wash that a dirty habit. A Kartel first do body wash in a dance hall and you know beat him for it. How Kartel know say the girl no give a body wash? That mean to say Kartel and the woman I have a body wash argument and the girl says she not do body wash. So at the end of the day, Kartel shaky and Kartel get away with the most things because Kartel have money. The people who support Kartel, that mean to sound no broke. That mean to sound you no have no money. That mean to sound no love likes. That mean to sound no love sweet. People me a cook right now. 200 likes me a beg pan a video ya. The like button free. 200 likes. Me nah run back on no artist boy. Cause any artist boy do every me a go burn them out. Any artist boy do shakiness, we a go burn them out. So at the end of the day, we burn out Kartel and him shaky ways. We burn out the Gaza fans them. We support him and them shaky ways. How some of them man ya love and defend Kartel. Them not defend them mother and father so. Them not defend them kids so. Them not defend them woman so. The man them love Kartel to a different level. A man will lead them to destruction. A man will leave them in a every. Nothing wrong with being rich. Nothing wrong with having money. But you're not supposed to do anything for money. You're not supposed to love sweet. You're not supposed to make a man a touch you for money. See, Bible burn a fire and say money is the root of all evil. And what the Bible mean, the lovers of money. The man them where we do anything for money. The man them we feel to say them have money, them untouchable. And that a Kartel problem. Him feel to say him untouchable and nobody can touch him. Kartel will destroy your home. Kartel will destroy few picking them. But make sure say for him kids them got private school and do the right things. Only ever see Kartel kids them out here and do anything folly. Kartel make sure saying kids them do the right and proper thing. Kartel will destroy everybody else kids. Him only care about himself and feed him family. Honestly, Kartel picking them a go down the road or out here defend him in a the friggery one. Uno a defend him in a, then make sure stay out of Kartel business and big kids and focus on where them fi focus on. While the rest of people them kids them out here I do every because the father them and the father again. Them mania and no man again. Them mania I do some every where Kartel I do. Man out here defend Kartel. Kartel will look like one I worm in a man in black. Kartel will back in the days used to have Gaza commandment. Kartel where used to say, nah, pan the Gaza. Kartel where we your dancer here Kartel sang them a burner fire, but it was all disguise. Kartel been shaky. Kartel been in the closet. Kartel just know saying couldn't do certain things back then, but him been a try, and we been seeing shaky ways from day one, bleach out and put in weave and all type of friggery in our head, Kartel shake you out. Remember, Bounty Killer did say Kartel boring tongue and did a beat Kartel wicked, and Kartel a say no bore no tongue. Remember, Kartel did have a song where say, baby, more kiss your panaja there, and Kartel saw splice when a Kartel put out the original. Kartel been a lead Jamaican youths them astray. Kartel we do anything for money. Kartel thinks say my God. Kartel sell him soul. When you see certain things that happen to Kartel, not feel bad for Kartel. The dirtiness and the sin them and the karma I go catch up on him. Kartel feel to say have money, he untouchable. What is Kartel without money? A regular person and nobody. And Kartel money only have power over the people and we're broke. Only have power over people and when they have nothing. Cause if Kartel go in a certain room, Kartel money and no nothing, he could have 10 million US, 20 million US. You have certain people with them have 20 million US, them broke. So at the end of the day, you think Kartel can walk in a certain room? You think certain people are going to affiliate themselves with Kartel or with the brand of a Vybz Kartel? Kartel out here destroy him own a legacy, destroy him own a career. Because the people them with morals and the people them with straight and have sense now go support Kartel. Enough people are going to take away themselves from Kartel. Kartel are going to sink. Kartel are going to find himself over one place where he never expect for there, because at the end of the day, righteousness shall win. And why gain the world and lose your soul, bro? The things them where you out here do, no man not supposed to do. You shaky, you fish out, pretty than if you out here ball, because enough of them out here will say Gaza, shame. Enough of them want to come out and defend Kartel, but them can't defend Kartel. Right now, we don't know which fuckery Kartel will come with after this. Kartel, when it come to music now, Kartel is not great because of music alone. Kartel is great because he do no fuckery, no stunt, and he not top. But Kartel, remember, helmet cannot stop broke neck. Helmet cannot stop broke neck. All of them stunt here where you do, one of them there to backfire upon you. Continue do your stunt. Continue fish out. Enough time we see sea dry up. We see river dry up. We see lake dry up. And the fish them they all over the place. I jump up and down till Janker fly down and name them. So Kartel time longer than rope. You do the same fuckery them already and you end up a prison and we not wish bad for you. But nobody can talk to you. Nobody can tell you nothing. You're mighty. You're famous. You're rich. You name Vybz Kartel. So when the fuckery them reach you, bro, don't complain. Don't bawl. Time is longer than rope. And sometimes some pain clot we. And then we realize that we money cannot save we. Sometimes we find ourselves in some problem where money can't help we. Links can't help we. Some pain clot we when not even money can't help we. Then you go bawl out and cry out to God. And when you sell your soul and you're wicked now, things can reach you. Will make you have to look up to the sky and ask God for have mercy and beg the people and for forgiveness. Remember how you did that prisoner ball? Kartel, remember how you did that prisoner ball? Learn from your mistake. Who no remember history is bound to repeat it. Who no like when I say go suck on the mama, go chuck off on a fish, Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.